This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Please go to the human resources. Yeah, under that payroll. Yeah, wait for a second. Have a look at the payroll. So when you click on the payroll, there are different 5 areas of payroll: Europe, America, Asia, Pacific, Africa, and international. Okay. So for Europe country, they have designed an exclusive set of payrolls. For Americans, they have designed a different, and Asia Pacific different, Africa different, and if any country is out of these 4 areas, if the country is not belong to Europe, America, Asia Pacific, or Africa, then the implementation you can use international payroll. Okay, can you please open Europe? Okay, so Europe you have so many countries. Okay, so if you are implementing for Ukraine, Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Czech, you name any country, you will be finding in SAP. Okay, these are the different European countries you have. Okay, now please close the Europe and go to the America. In Americas, you have these all other countries like Argentina, Brazil, Canada, Colombia, so Mexico, USA, Venezuela, and Asia Pacific. These are all the end user activities where end users will be running the payroll. Okay,
Okay.
they'll be entering the payroll data from this place. And can you please go to the international? If any country, this is an international payroll. Okay, now please open USA. USA. Only down, down, USA. In America, you have USA, second last. Yeah. Open payroll. So these are the different areas you have, like simulation, release, start payroll, check, overpayment recovery, corrections, exit payroll, remuneration statement, all the things, bank transfer, off cycle, subsequent activities. In your just free time, just go through these things. Okay. So these are the different activities the end user can do using SAP Easy access. Now I request you to please go to the SPRO. We'll go to implementation guide. Enter SAP reference IMG. Go to US payroll, payroll and US payroll. Scroll down. Yeah. Yeah, open that. Under that, please go to the USA. So today we'll be covering some theoretical concept and a few practical concepts. Yeah. So please click on the basic settings. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Tinku? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Basic settings. Payroll organization.
So whatever we are defining here, this is a basic pay info type, right?
They have given basic settings. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Without this, you can't go with the payroll. Okay. Under the basic setting, under payroll organization, here they have given period modifier, define date modifier, assign new payroll accounting area to the period, assigning your payroll areas to the period modifier and generate payroll periods. Okay. Then we'll please open the next one, environment for maintaining wage types.
Sorry,
Environment for not that. Scroll down. You have environment. Yeah, open that.
environment for maintaining
Yeah, this is
wage
a
type.
theoretical concept. Open the processing and evaluation class. Click on that. Yeah. So today we'll be doing period modifier, date modifier, assigning, generate payroll periods, and theoretically we'll be knowing what is processing class, what are evaluation classes. Okay. So first, please go to the defined period modifier. This is a practical activity. Please click on the define period parameter. Yeah, define period. What do you mean by period?
Yeah.
Okay. US is a global company, different countries, different companies, different MNCs work, and a lot of complex visa rules are there. Okay, so these are the different, you can see how many payrolls you have. Okay, you have monthly, you have semi. Can you please press F1, go to the new entry, or you can press here F1, period parameters. Yeah, okay. These are the different periods we have. For example, monthly, weekly, bi-weekly. You can check it here. Okay, monthly, semi-monthly, weekly, fortnightly, quarterly, semi-monthly. What is the difference? I think you know the difference between semi-monthly and fortnightly, right?
Mm-hmm.
Semi-monthly means 15 days, every 15 days. Fortnightly means every 2 weeks, 14 days.
Mm-hmm.
Weekly, you may be knowing. Quarterly, 3 months. Half yearly,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes annually. You know, payroll, you pay payroll different in a different way. Some people get pay every month, some people get every week, some will get every 14 days, some may be getting every 15 days, quarterly also. Some students, trainees, project trainees, quarterly. Some consultant they'll get half yearly, some contractors they'll get yearly. So you have different kinds of payroll periods. Now see the number, which number is available for us. We'll create one payroll. Go to the new entry. One second. Please go back. Please go back. Select the first one, monthly. Copy it. Can you select the first one and copy it? It will be easy when you are copying the original one. So here we'll give monthly payroll followed by ISUD. Change the number. Later you change the number.
So,
So monthly, yeah, monthly payroll ISUD. So give the number as 33 or 87, 86, 83. So you are 33, okay? And third column, you have 01. Can you please open that? Yeah. So these are the different you have. You can take the screenshot of this. You have monthly, semi-monthly, weekly, bi-weekly, every 4 weeks, annually, quarterly, half yearly. So almost you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8
eight.
type of
Mm.
8. Okay. So what is ours monthly? So monthly means what? 01. 02 means semi-monthly. 03 means weekly. Bi-weekly 4. These are the standard SAP has provided us. We'll take 01. Okay.
Mm.
Even the dates also, the payroll dates, you can scroll to the right side and check. So payroll date, the start date they have given 01/01/1990.
Mm.
This is the standard date payroll has provided. So if you can keep that date, it will be easy for you. So you will not have any output problems. So press enter and save this. Yeah,
Mm.
it has accepted. What is your period parameter? 33. Remember, your period
Okay.
parameter is 33.
33.
Okay, now please go back to the next activity.
Mm.
Back,
Yeah.
make a note. Our payroll is monthly. Yeah. Now define date modifier. What do you mean by the date? When you want to pay the salary date, define date modifier. Double click on that. Yeah. Here you can see the dates. First of every month. Scroll down. So when in USA salaries are paid, it depends on the company or depends on contract or contract employee or a permanent employee. All the things you have different things. So would you like to take any standard one or you would like to define a date? First of every month or fifth of every month or what?
First will be fine.
Yeah. So go to the new entry, press F1, just press F1 there, date modifier. Okay. So for example, these are the dates you can see here. You can create additional date, but that's not required. We'll only give the salary date. So give the number as 70, 66 will give. 33 we have given, right? This is date modifier. I'm giving 66. Yeah, right side, IUSD, Purohit. Yeah, first of every month. Pay date is first of every month. Salary date or pay date. First of every month. Or you can give the number. Instead of FIRST, you can give first.
Okay, first, yeah.
Yeah. So salary, right? First of every month, pay date.
Hmm.
First of every month. After month, you can write pay date. Pay date means salary date. When the
Hmm.
employees will be, the salary will be credited in the account.
Hmm.
Pay date, right? Press enter.
Hmm.
Save this. Green check mark. Very good. Back. So monthly payroll, we have created the pay date, that is 33, one is 66. Back. Yeah. Next one is assign new payroll accounting areas to the period parameters. Can you please click on that? Yeah. So here check payroll areas. So what was the payroll area we have created? If you remember, it's okay, or else you go to the position and find out.
66. The
Payroll area.
33.
No, no. 33 is not payroll area. 66 is not payroll area. This we
So,
have created in the personal administration, not in the payroll.
okay. Okay, that
Okay.
called the
What?
payroll area. Okay, SD.
Yeah.
Yeah.
SD. Go to the position and find out.
This is,
Yeah. Very good. So payroll area is different. Yeah. Now scroll to the right side. Select that. Select your SD. Okay. Go to the date modifier column. Scroll to the right side. Is there any other thing?
no,
Yeah. Wait. Yeah. So here, what was the date modifier you are given?
66.
Yeah. What do you mean by date modifier? Is it a pay date?
First day when employee is going to get the
Yeah.
pay.
It's a pay date, salary date, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what we have given, you can select from the list.
66.
Yeah, you can select it. To confirm, you can just check it and add it to your. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Very good. Press enter and save this. Please save this. Very good. Now just check the control record. Go back. Create control record. Already we have created control
Yes.
record. We are just checking SD. You can display or you can change. No, create. Already we have created, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this already we have created here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now back. Wait for a second. What you can see in the control record. This is very important, Rinkuji. So control record controls the entire payroll activities. Okay. So what
Mm-hmm.
you have in the payroll status, payroll release, correction, exit payroll, check payroll results, and the payroll period. What is the payroll period now we are in the month of January, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you want to run in the February, it will be in the January. So retroactive accounting period, what, from which year you can do corrections in this SAP system for this particular payroll area? Since
Uh,
2019. So who
you
was
said
the
that
first?
payroll period. Just explain this payroll period. You said
Scroll
this
to
is
the
for the
left side.
January, but start from the February.
Scroll to the left so that you can see the entire text, right or left. Let me, from the down you need to scroll or you need to move the screen, your screen size. I can't see the entire screen. Let me make it down. Yeah, maximize.
Yeah, this is maximized screen.
Wait for a second. I cannot see. I need to see right side. Or
Yes,
you need to move to the right side so that
I'll
I
give
can
you
see
the
the entire screen.
access.
Yeah, now I can see. Okay. So here payroll period.
Hmm.
Generally, if you want to run the payroll for the month of February, you need to give January.
Okay, 1 month early. Okay.
Yeah, that okay. So that is a payroll period. So how many payroll periods you have run here? Zero. We have not run any payroll for this payroll area SD, right?
Hmm.
So here you have who is the person who has created this payroll area,
Hmm.
which user ID, everything here you can see your 41F55
Hmm.
on so and so date at so and so time.
Hmm.
Everything it will record. Okay.
Hmm.
So this is a payroll area, heart of the payroll. So control record, it controls each and every activity of the payroll,
Hmm.
basically. Now please go back to the previous screen. Back. Yeah. So close this. Very good. Now generate payroll periods.
So
Next
as of
one.
now, we just created payroll period, but we did not generate the period, right?
Yes, yes. So generally this will not give sometimes based on your data or system, it will not show the output, but let us try, let us see. Please click on generate payroll periods. It's very easy. Okay, please click on the generate payroll periods. Double click on that. So what was the period parameters you have given? First one.
33.
Yeah, please give 33 or you can open and give it confirmation whether it is available or not.
Hmm. No, it's a monthly. Sorry, not.
No, no, no. Period parameters monthly only, but what you have
Yes.
given?
Yes. 01.
Not 01, not 01. We have
We
created our
given
own, right?
33. We have given
Yeah,
33.
search that. 33, please search.
Okay. Hmm.
Yes,
Hmm.
select it. So when you search, you'll know the correct data is there, date modifier. So date also we have given 66. Open that and search and add it. 66, right?
Hmm.
Very good. Different search criteria used, very good. Now here you need to give the date. Let us give 0101.
So the same date, which is we given as
No,
a
no. We'll
period.
give now 20 will, yeah, let us give and 0101 2020, sorry, 2021.
So I just have a
Final,
question about the start date.
yeah, we'll talk.
Okay.
2021.
Same final year, same date.
Yeah, final year is 2021.
Okay.
2021. Yeah. Payday rule. This is very important.
And what about this fiscal year? We just leave 001.
Yeah, what is physical year? We'll talk later.
Okay.
Okay. Payday rule. Open that. Yeah. So there are four rules. इसका भी आप screenshot ले लो. You need to remember this.
Hmm.
Which one is suitable for us? Can you please? Which rule? These are the payday rules. So our payday is, when is our payday? When you want to pay the salaries? First half every month.
First. Hmm.
So which rule is applicable for you when you choose?
I think one add the number of days to the period start date.
Add
The
the
number
number
of the
of days
days
to
to
the
the
period
period
start date.
start date.
Okay.
Is it correct or wrong?
No, check करेंगे हम. I'm
Okay.
not going to tell you the answer
Hmm.
because it is simple. What is the next one? To deduct the number of days from the
Period and date.
end date. Third one,
Add the number to the period and date.
Add
I
number
think
to the
4
period
monthly
ended.
only, I think. 4,
Yeah,
we should use
3 you
4
can select
monthly
3.
only. Sorry?
We'll select the 3.
Okay.
Add number of days to the period end date. So kitna date add, how many days you need to add for the period end day? If you want to pay the salaries first, कितने दिन add करना आपको next step?
30, it depends on the month. It may be 30 days or it may be 31 days.
Yeah, whatever it is. If it is 30 days, how many days you need to add to pay the salaries on first? 1 day. If it is 31st, how many days you need to add to pay the salaries? 1 day. If it is 28, 1 day. If it is 29, 1 day. So you want to pay the salaries first of every month. So you are adding end date को आप एक ऐड करने से आपका salary date आ जाएगा. Is it not? Now let's go to the next one. Determine period number. Just press F1 or open that. Which one you need to select?
I'm not understanding which one I should select.
Just press F1 if you are still, because यहाँ से आपको individually सोचना पड़ेगा.
Hmm.
Yeah. Close this, or you may get more. We'll give, select any one. Open करके you select any one, any option. Start date of the period. Okay. And click on the carry out table changes.
What is that?
Please take a screenshot of this.
Hmm.
Okay. Now try to click on the execute icon on the top. Save, beside save icon. No, not that.
This.
Yeah. So date format enter change करो आप. Single dot. So SAP is very friendly. If you are doing wrong, it will guide you. Again, click on the execute icon.
No entry in the table.
Yeah.
T549 A
Yeah.
for key
Yeah.
33.
Now go to the period parameter once.
So should we
No,
leave
no,
it like that?
no, no, no. Just यहाँ पे click करो 33. Open 33. Select the standard one, monthly. SAP has provided, yeah. And again go to the date modifier. Date modifier is first of every month, right? Select the standard one. 01. No, 01, not double
Okay.
zero. So we are taking the standard values. Now try to save this.
Execute? No
Yeah,
execute.
एक बार save करेंगे, तो execute करेंगे.
Okay.
Okay. So these are your pay dates. इसका भी आप एक screenshot ले लो आप.
Hmm.
Okay. So you can see the period year from to pay date.
Hmm.
Is it not?
Hmm.
So your salary pay date is 11111. Now please go back to the previous screen. I hope you have taken the screenshot, right?
Yeah, I have print screen. I just.
Yeah. Back. Back. यहाँ पे period parameter अपना दे दो. Yeah, again click on the determine payroll period. आपका दो.
Okay.
Everything is same. Yeah, what was that? 33. 66. Yeah. Start date. Year, final year 2021. Start date same. Payday rule same. क्या दिए थे आप?
I think 3, maybe, yeah,
Yeah.
3.
Yeah. Number of days 1. नीचे का yeah. Start date of the period. Yeah. Carry out table changes. Okay. Save करो एक बार. Yeah.
Same
And
error.
yeah, please make a note of this table and error in your book. No entry
Okay.
in the table. What is the table?
Table T549A.
Yeah. Okay. And you please click on this view detail. Okay. No entry in the table T549A for key 33 and 66. Okay. So we'll talk about this later. Make a note and remind me in the next class. Okay. Close karo ye. So now you are very clear how to generate the payroll periods. Please go back. When you are doing in the SAP original system, you will not be having these errors, data errors. Please go back.
Okay, what is this RPUCTPO00?
It's a
So this is
report.
the
It's a
report.
report. Yeah, it's a report. Technical name of this.
Okay.
ये भी लिख लो आप. ये भी लिख लो आप.
So we should remember this report's name, right?
Depends. If you want, you can remember for additional information to prove that we have more knowledge. Just make a note of this report name. Okay. Have you made a note of this?
Yes, I am. I
Okay,
made it.
very good. Please go back.
So this report help us to see the data, right? When
Yes.
NLC is
No,
asking.
whatever you are doing is a report. Generating means you are generating a report, right?
Okay.
So that's the report name. Now, please go to the check payroll periods.
So one question, we generated a work schedule manually, so there was a report as well, right?
No, that we'll talk later. Okay. Yeah. If you technically speaking, that is a report.
Hmm.
Yeah. Can you please? We have done this, right? Check payroll periods. Please click on that.
We have done with generate payroll.
What was the period parameter? Yeah.
Oh, we
Please
didn't
go
give
back.
any.
Please go back.
Mhm.
Again, click on the check payroll periods. Give 01. 01 is the standard one, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Scroll down. Can you please go to the new end? See here you have start date and end date.
Hmm.
Okay. Last column. Can you please go to the last column? I am unable to see.
Last, you want to go to the.
Yeah, last column. Yeah.
Okay.
Scroll to the right side. Is there any options?
Right side. Okay.
Hmm. Yeah, wait. So what is this? Can you please click on the last one?
This one,
Yeah.
previous
Yes.
payroll period.
Yeah. Previous period and
This is a payroll
payroll
period.
period. Payroll period means what? Which month you are running? Previous period means अभी यहाँ पे देखो आप. Previous क्या है? 03 है. Current क्या है? 04 है.
04. Mhm.
So if you want to run for the April, you need to give March. सबका वैसे ही है. आप एक बार देखिए आप.
Hmm. Yes.
Okay, यहाँ 3 है तो इधर 5 है.
Obviously.
So minus 1.
Hmm.
Okay. यस नाउ प्लीज गो बैक. अभी याद रखो क्या फील्ड में क्या है, एक बार याद रखो. ट्राई टू स्कैन ऑल द फील्ड्स. What is this payroll?
Year. This is payroll year. This year payroll is going to run.
This is
This
what
is
payroll?
payroll period.
Yeah, what is that next one? Start date, end date.
Payroll, this date, payroll will
Yeah,
start and it's going to be end on this date.
okay.
This is the
Yeah. So now
previous
please go
payroll
back.
year.
Yeah, ये अब याद रखिए. Please come back. अभी यहाँ पे चेक पेरोल पीरियड्स क्लिक करो आप. अपना पेरोल पीरियड दे दो. We are only trying. Okay. Go to the new entry. Try to give on your own.
We are going to run this 2021. A period is a monthly, so one whole period.
No.
Start date, yeah.
कभी भी देखो when you are doing SAP or anything, we should be. आप try करना. Then you need to start thinking. Previous year.
Previous, that means 2020, because this is the
Yeah.
period. So this
Yes.
is the
Yes.
2020.
Yes.
20.
Month.
Previous payroll period. So it should be the previous. This is 01. So what is 00?
Yeah. Try करो. एक बार try करो. Nothing is. Yeah. Save this. Or you can give 01. Last में one more you have, right? Previous payroll.
I given it 0.
Just press F1.
Okay.
Yeah. What it says.
Payroll
01. Beginning with 01 ही देना चाहिए. Yeah. So we'll give 01. Press enter. Save this. Green check mark. Yeah. Back.
Hmm.
Back. Now check pay dates. एक बार स्कैन करो पूरा. Try to read all the things. DM means date modifier.
Yeah.
Next is period modifier. Next is name of the period modifier. Payroll year.
Okay.
Scroll to the right side. Okay. The current one, right?
Hmm.
Is it not?
Hmm.
What is the date? Go to the new entry. Please go to the new. Yeah.
Last date like 29/01/19. So this is the last day of the payday, right? 29.
Yeah, we will check. Go to the new entry. Yeah. So please click on the last, second last column. Yeah. Pay period. Payroll period. Just click on that. F1. And read and understand. Payroll period. This is right. Which month? First month or second month? What do you mean by the date?
This date?
Yeah. Click on that and press F1.
Okay. Depending on the date
Yeah.
identifier.
Example पढ़ो आप. Date identifier एक बार क्लिक करो आप. Yeah.
So the first day when pay is going to generate,
Yes.
we
ये
should
एक
give
बार,
that the
yeah.
date,
So पूरा एक
right?
बार ट्राई करो. Scroll to the left side, the first column.
Yeah, this DM, right? Date
Yeah, date modifier. क्या था आपका date modifier?
66.
66.
Yes,
Yeah. Period parameter
it was
33.
33.
Hmm. Now ये क्या था?
We don't need to be when we will enter
Yeah,
it
वो
will come.
text will come automatically when you press enter.
Yes,
वो नहीं देना आप. Text का
वो
है
नहीं
वो.
दें. हाँ,
Payroll year क्या है आपका?
2021
Very good. वो दे दो आप.
payroll
Yeah.
period 01. We
Zero
create
one. Very good.
01. We have taken that.
Date क्या है?
Dates first day of the January payday,
या
right?
या कैसे था डेट वहां पे फॉर्मेट वही दे दो आप. एंटर. सेव दिस. प्रेस एंटर एंड सेव दिस. सेव इट.
Yeah. And this date identify, we don't need to change this. It comes automatically, right?
यस. यस. ओके. बैक.
Okay, so date modifier and identifier, these are the two different things, right? These are not the
या
same.
डेट आइडेंटिफायर इज अ पे डेट.
Yeah, that's date identity. Okay, payday. Okay.
Yeah, so everything SAP provides you an answer. Right side you can see what is 01 is a pay date.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah, please go back. Back. Wait for a second. I'll mute myself for 3 minutes. Rinku,
Yeah, I'm listening.
I'll mute myself for 2 to 3 minutes. फिर से with your own data, try to generate payroll period. When we did first time, there was a table error, right?
Hmm.
Hello?
Yeah, I'm listening.
या टेबल एरर आया था ना. अभी और एक बार ट्राई करो जनरेट पेरोल पीरियड्स. और एक बार ट्राई करो आप. यू आई विल बी म्यूटिंग माई सेल्फ सो दैट यू विल डू इट ऑन योर ओन.
And I'll make my own period parameter and
या
date modifier,
नहीं,
right?
जो भी नहीं ऑलरेडी हम क्रिएट किए ना 33
Yes, we have.
66. वो
Yes.
डेटा देके आप ट्राई करो आउटपुट के लिए.
Okay.
Yeah, Rinkuji.
So this is showing the same error, like that
Same.
33.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. We'll talk about that later. Okay. So please go back. Yeah, close this. Now, please go to the next one, processing class. Yeah. So processing classes and evaluation classes. This is a theoretical concept. I request you to click on the document of processing class. यहाँ पे नहीं नहीं ऊपर वाला नहीं नीचे उसके नीचे that is common for yeah please close that. Yeah. So for the time being you need to remember only 2 points under this. Click on the document. Yeah. So here how many processing classes you have standard settings. When you go to the standard settings, how many processing classes you have?
2.
The SAP has provided standard processing classes 01 to 89.
Okay.
Okay, the SAP has provided standard processing classes 01 to 89. Then what are 90 to 99? These are customer specific processing classes. So remember how many processing classes SAP has provided? 01 to 89. So 90 to 99, if you have any processing classes, that means these are called
Customers.
customer specific entries. Okay, the project manager, project leader, or the technical person, they have created the processing classes according to the requirements of the client, which are not available. If the requirement is not available from 01 to 89, then they have created the new processing class using 90 to 99. They can give any number from 90 to 99. Means the requirement for creating a customer processing classes are very less.
Hmm.
Only 9 they have given, right? So
Hmm.
please go back to the evaluation class. Close this.
What are the processing classes means? What is the
That's
purpose
later.
of
That we'll discuss later. Okay. Yeah. Now go to the evaluation classes.
document?
Yeah, document. So today you are only remembering what is processing classes, what is evaluation classes. We'll talk tomorrow theoretically. Okay. So evaluation classes, the SAP has provided 01 to 17. So total standard evaluation classes are 1 to 17. And if you want a customer entries, only 18 to 20, right?
Hmm.
So just remember this: processing classes 1 to 90, 89, 90 to 99. Evaluation classes 1 to 17, 18 to 20. So what are processing classes? What are evaluation classes? We'll talk tomorrow. Yeah. Rinkuji, tomorrow morning are you free India time?
Tomorrow morning. No, it's going to be my today evening.
Yeah. So
Take it
tomorrow is
tomorrow
Saturday for us.
evening. Tomorrow is Saturday. No, 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 on Saturday and Sunday, please no.
Okay. So shall we
Please.
have it on Monday evening then?
Yeah, Monday is fine. Mhm.
Okay.
So Monday evening
Ma-
IST timing.
Shall we have it in the morning then? Monday means Monday morning is okay
So
for
that's
you.
going to be Sunday evening, my Sunday evening.
So Sunday, Saturday, Sunday you are busy with your family.
Yes.
Okay, please inform to Radha. So we'll have on Monday evening.
Monday evening IST
My
timing.
Monday evening will be your Monday morning.
Yeah. So Monday evening. Okay, fine.
Monday evening IST same
Yeah,
6:30.
okay. Yeah.
6:30 or can we have it at 6 o'clock 6 p.m.
No, no, no. 6:30 is fine. That's perfectly fine. I'll make
6:30
it.
is fine, but 6 will be early for you, right?
Yeah, my kids class start at that time, so
Okay, okay,
I
that's
need
okay.
to be there.
Yeah. So on Monday evening we'll have the class and we'll go to the next topic and I'll explain you about the processing classes, what are evaluation classes, what is the use of processing classes, what are the use of evaluation classes.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. See you on Monday evening.
But I have one question. So whatever we are creating that payday and whatever we created right now, like
Yeah.
parameter. a period
Yeah,
parameter, date
yeah.
modifier. So we
Hmm.
created everything about the pay, a first day of the pay period, and everything. So
Yeah.
does this generation and that the assignment is going to show to the end user in any info type, isn't it?
It's not info type, payslip.
Pay slip. Okay, so
Yeah,
that
payslip. Payslip in the sense, yeah, you are right. Info type also you can say. Info
hmm,
type means what? Basic pay, bank
so
details.
basic pay, yes. So
Hmm.
these everything whatever we generated here. So this is going to show them in info type basic pay
No,
0008, right?
yeah, we'll talk that in the next session. We
In
have a
next
wage
session.
type, wage types.
Wage
Yeah,
type.
you have one document, you have one PPT for wage types. Can you please go and, if you get a time, please read that wage type document.
Wage type. Okay, just give me a moment.
PPT.
I have that.
That is a PPT.
PPT. Okay.
Hmm.
Just
अगर
wage
टाइम
type.
मिलने से वो पढ़िए आप only wage types.
This wage type. We just this is what
Yeah,
makes
ये पढ़ो
CSA
आप.
pay.
Yeah, all these things
This.
are reflected in this.
Okay. So I'll get my answer that why we are generating and how it will show in
Yeah,
the.
hopefully you may get an answer or else I'll explain you again.
Okay.
ये एक पढ़िए आप. How many slides are there? Maybe 18, 15. एक ही
Let
slide
me
दिख रहा?
check here. Here. Just give me a moment. It's 13. 13
Hmm.
exactly. Yeah, 13.
Yeah, ये पढ़िए आप. You just only read this. What makes US payroll unique?
Okay. So is there any way, Srini, uh, I can have a look of those info type? Like earlier, we created a work schedule for the info type
No,
0007. So can
there
we
is no.
have a look of those info types? I screenshot and kind of thing. So I
No,
will like,
you need to check on your own. Go to SAP Easy Access and apply करो. टाइम मैनेजमेंट का इन्फो टाइप देखने से टाइम मैनेजमेंट में जाइए, पेरोल का इन्फो टाइप देखने के लिए पेरोल में जाइए, पर्सनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लिए पर्सनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड यूजर एक्टिविटी में जाके आप इन योर फ्री टाइम यू कैन एक्सप्लोर एंड यूजर एक्टिविटीज आल्सो.
but for that I need a personnel number. I don't have that. So how
Yeah,
can
you
I?
take the standard one. Take the standard one and check it. SAP has given you the data, standard data, right? IDS. उसमें से एक नंबर पिकअप करके उनका डेटा देखिए. आपका खुद का डेटा नहीं दे सकते ना.
Yes, yes.
स्टैंडर्ड डेटा देखिए. लास्ट टाइम यू एंड आई वाज टेकन 1007
One.
1008. उनका डेटा देख के आप किसी का नंबर सिलेक्ट करके उसका डेटा देखिए. मगर वो
Okay.
यूएस का नहीं रहेगा, किसी और कंट्री का रहेगा, जर्मन बेस्ड कंट्री, उसका ही डेटा स्टैंडर्ड रहेगा सिस्टम में.
अच्छा, okay. ठीक है.
ओके,
Okay, I'll check.
विश यू वेरी हैप्पी वीकेंड. ये एक बढ़िया बस.
हाँ, बस ये इसका ये है ना, मुझे वेस्ट टाइप इन्फो टाइप चेक करना है ना उसमें जा करके.
क्या ऐसे चेक कर सकते हैं आप, जैसे हम चेक किया ना 1001
हाँ हाँ.
जाके इन योर फ्री टाइम, इट्स इजी.
Yeah, so वेस्ट टाइप इन्फो टाइप चेक करूँ तो I can understand whatever we are created and generated here
व्हाट यू
is
अंडरस्टैंड दैट्स नेक्स्ट. बट आप चेक करना है तो चेक करो आप.
okay.
ओके. एक
I'll
बार चेक करने से आपको भी क्लैरिटी हो जाएगा ना.
yes, you're right.
Okay, so please do
Okay.
that. So whatever data you want to check, go to that module and check it. Personal data, PI30,
Hmm.
time
Hmm.
data, TM, payroll data,
Hmm.
उधर से ही चेक कर सकते हैं आप. पर्सनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से ही पूरा PA30 से भी चेक कर सकते हैं आप.
ठीक है.
ट्राई
Okay.
करो, आप एक्सप्लोर करो. ठीक है.
Okay.
And
Okay,
if
so
you want to go for a next level, advanced level, please speak to Radha.
yeah, first let's finish it this up, then we'll
Yeah,
talk.
but फिर भी आपको आपको एक आइडिया रहेगा ना.
एडवांस के लिए तो आई नीड अ ग्रुप, राइट?
या वो एक बार राधा से बात करो, राधा मैम से. ठीक है. सो विल मीट ऑन मंडे इवनिंग. ये भी आप अपडेट करो राधा जी को.
हाँ, जस्ट जस्ट टेल मी, एक क्वेश्चन है मेरा, मुझे स्टार्टिंग में ही पूछना चाहिए था. ये जो पेरोल का आपका जो सिलेबस आपने ये इतना दिया है, ये
हम्म.
टिल 160, इट स्टार्ट
हम्म.
फ्रॉम द वेट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 130 एंड एंड्स टू द 160. सो
या
इसमें ये जितने टॉपिक दिए हैं ये सारे कवर करेंगे या इसमें से भी कुछ एडवांस का आपने रखा है टॉपिक्स?
एक बार देखना पड़ेगा, मैं नहीं देखा हूँ.
आप
देख
एक
के
बार
मैं
चेक
आपको
करके मुझे
या
नेक्स्ट
चेक
क्लास में
करके
बताइए.
मंडे में बताऊंगा आपको. theory
इसमें
क्या
से
है,
कौन?
advanced क्या है, I'll let you know.
Please.
Okay.
Okay, then thank you for
Yeah.
today's class.
Thank you, Rinkuji. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.